Welcome. Today I'd like to show you the ultimate wood repair system, the Rhino wood repair system. It's an easy way to repair dry rot, wood rot damage that can be found basically anywhere in your homes. It can be used to repair posts, columns, docks, decks, floors, antiques, door jambs, frames, garage door jambs. Anywhere wood rot damage or dry rot damage can be found. This product is both suited for the do-it-yourselfer or the contractor. From a do-it-yourself standpoint, the Rhino repair system comes with a simple, easy to use, everything included kit. Inside your kit you will find putty A and B, your liquid A and liquid B. It comes with some brushes to apply the liquid. It comes with gloves when you're handling the product. It comes with 2 mixing containers. It comes with 2 stir sticks. This is the ultimate repair. That's actually 3 times stronger than wood. No point doing an ultimate repair unless you're going to kill the fungus. The root cause of dry rot or wood rot repair is a fungus. The fungus eats the strengthening components of wood. Now, when you do your repair, as we'll show you here, if you've got some rotten material, you want to scrape that material out as much as possible. Clearly here, we've got some damaged wood that can be easily repaired. It fits into the Rhino wood repair solution. Already the homeowner has taken out the damaged wood, all the loose debris, cleared out. They've pre-drilled some holes to make sure the rot hasn't extended further up the column. They've cleaned that out, and they've used the BioTreat product to prevent further fungus damage, which can escalate and create damage to the whole beam. After we've prepped all our wood, we've treated it with the BioTreat, let it sit for 24 hours. Hopefully we've cleaned out as much of the damaged wood as possible. If not, no worries. We're going to take A and B liquid. We're going to take equal parts of A seals right back up. We take an equal part of B. We take liquid A and B. We've taken equal parts 1 to 1. And now we're going to stir. We're going to mix this for at least a minute. We want to scrape the sides. We want to stir it. It's very important that we mix it thoroughly and consistently. Overmixing is not an issue. Undermixing could be a problem. Once we've mixed it for over a minute, we can let it sit for a few minutes. When we're ready, we'll come back and we'll apply the material. Now we've let that sit for a few moments. We take our brush and we can apply the material. Don't be afraid to use a lot of material. Just let that stuff soak in. In some porous areas, for example, we may not have removed all the rotten wood, the weak wood. But not to worry, the liquid part does 2 things. Number 1, it acts as the adhesive between the putty and the wood, but it also acts as a petrifying liquid. If we have missed any of the damaged or rotten wood, that light weak wood, it will soak in and it will petrify that piece of wood. Now if it's warm out, this product will set up a lot quicker. If it's 90 degrees out and this post is 110 degrees, this product's going to set up much quicker. Normally it takes a couple hours for this product to set up. But now we've got that material soaked with product. We can now prepare putty A and B. Now what we need to do, the second part, we've let this sit for a few minutes again. We take equal amounts of A and B. Your A putty and your B putty. And what we're going to do with our gloves on, we're going to mix equal parts of A and B together. We notice that we've got a white for the A and the B is yellow. And what we want to do, we're going to knead it until we get a uniform color. It's imperative that the color becomes uniform for two reasons. We want to make sure that we've got a consistent product and we've got the A and B product uniformly mixed. Just like we did the liquid, we need to spend a little time to knead the product together until it becomes uniform in color. This takes a few minutes. We do have a big joint here to repair. Now, we've got a uniform color. So now we can start applying our material. Make sure we get it in the nooks and the crannies here. Well, we've completed our repair. This material has just been, it's still somewhat flexible. It's starting to generate a bit of heat. And in a few hours, this will be set up and we'll be able to sand it. And if we give it about 24 hours or so, we'll be able to drill, nail, screw, and we'll be ready to paint it. We can actually paint it after about 5 hours once it's been set up and sanded. You can see we can sand it by hand. Sands up very easy. You can manually do it, but you can see how well it sands. If you sand that to the texture that you want, you're all set to paint. Make sure you're free of dust. Any dust on there, always good to take a cloth of some sort to remove the dust before you paint. Now what else can you do? Well, nail into it. Take a bigger nail. You can screw into it as well. No pre-drilling required. Perfect. This system is easy to use. It's simple. Whether you're the do-it-yourselfer or the contractor. Listen, we all have to be frugal with our money these days. If you can cut your costs by 70, 80, 85% in a repair, and you can do it yourself, who wouldn't want to have the Rhino wood repair system